Welcome to the installation video of ATI's Tactical Shotgun Stock with Forend for the Remington 870. Warning: place safety on the on position and carefully inspect the firearm to ensure it is unloaded. Begin by removing the magazine cap and removing the barrel. Depress and hold the action lock and slide the forend off the magazine tube. The bolt and slide block will also be removed. Remove the rig nut from the front of the tube. You can then remove the old forend by pulling it forward off the tube. Install the side Picatinny rail by using the supplied hardware. Insert the screws through the rail. Then install the rail onto the slot. Place the nuts on the inside and tighten. The bottom Picatinny rail will use the small plastite screws. Slide the Remington rear adapter on first, then the tactical forend, and finally the front adapter. Reinstall the ring nut and tighten. Reinstall the bolt and slide block onto the action bars. Slide the forend onto the magazine tube. Depress the action lock and the shell stop to slide everything into place. Remove the existing recoil pad by unscrewing the two Phillips head screws. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the stock bolt from the inside of the opening in the rear of the stock. Install the Remington adapter and attach the rear buttstock by using a 3/16 Allen and tighten. Reinstall the barrel and the magazine cap. You have now completed ATI's Tactical Stock with Forend for the Remington 870.